If you're looking for a quick and effective way to lose weight in just 7 days, the solution might be closer than you think, right in your own kitchen. A plant-based diet is not only rich in essential nutrients, but also offers a natural way to boost your metabolism and burn fat efficiently. I'm going to share simple and powerful hacks that you can start applying immediately, and the best part is, you'll begin to see results in the first week. Why are plants so effective? Plant-based foods are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, meaning you can eat more, feel fuller for longer, and still cut calories smartly. These foods also help regulate digestion and eliminate toxins that may be slowing down your weight loss. And the most important part, all of this without restrictive or complicated diets. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a practical 7-day plan that includes the best plant-based foods to burn fat, control your appetite, and transform your body. Let's get straight to the point, no fluff. It's time to discover how these foods can change your body fast. Hack 1. Focus on fiber-rich foods. Fiber is one of the most powerful components of a plant-based diet, especially when your goal is to lose weight fast. Fiber-rich foods not only help you stay full longer, but also regulate digestion, preventing bloating and promoting efficient digestion. This means you can eat generous portions of fiber-rich foods and still consume fewer calories, as they keep you satisfied without overloading your body with empty calories. The best examples of fiber-rich foods you can incorporate into your daily routine include lentils, chickpeas, black beans, oats, and fruits like apples and pears. These foods digest more slowly, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and avoids those hunger spikes that make you want to raid the fridge between meals. You can start your day with a simple breakfast of oats and fruit, providing a good fiber boost early on. A simple trick to maximize your fiber intake is to prioritize meals that combine legumes and whole grains. For example, a chickpea salad with leafy greens and avocado, or a lentil soup for lunch are easy and practical options. By including at least one of these fiber sources in every meal, you'll notice your hunger naturally decreases, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating. Plus, fiber helps speed up the elimination of toxins from your body, further contributing to weight loss. Another important point is to remember that when you increase your fiber intake, you should also increase your water consumption. Fiber needs water to be properly digested and to avoid discomfort. So, in addition to adding fiber-rich foods to your meal plan, make sure you drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially between meals. This will enhance the positive effects of fiber and ensure your body stays hydrated and functioning well during the weight loss process. Finally, it's important to highlight that fiber not only aids in satiety, but also contributes to a healthy metabolism. Keeping digestion regular and your body functioning more efficiently is one of the keys to speeding up fat burning, making fiber one of your best allies in a plant-based diet to achieve visible results in just 7 days.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
Hack 2. Replace refined carbs with whole grains. One of the biggest obstacles to quick weight loss is refined carbs. Foods like white bread, white rice, and traditional pasta are known to cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to a rapid release of insulin. This insulin surge prompts the body to store fat, especially in the abdominal area, and causes sudden drops in energy, making you feel hungry shortly after eating. To avoid these effects and speed up fat burning, replacing refined carbs with whole grains is essential. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, sweet potatoes, and oats are digested more slowly by the body. This means they release energy gradually, preventing blood sugar spikes, and keeping you fuller for much longer. They're also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which refined carbs lose during processing. This makes whole foods not only helpful for weight loss, but also better for overall nutrition. A practical example of this substitution is at lunch. Instead of a plate of traditional pasta, choose quinoa or brown rice as the base of your meal. Not only are these whole grains more nutritious, but they also keep your body energized for longer, reducing the need for snacks throughout the day. Similarly, swapping white bread at breakfast for a whole grain version or oats is a simple way to start the day more balanced. Another benefit of whole grains is their positive impact on metabolism. When the body processes whole grains, it uses more energy during digestion, helping to increase your total calorie burn throughout the day. This means that, in addition to controlling hunger, whole grains promote more efficient calorie burning. By including these foods in all your main meals, you ensure a steady energy flow and avoid moments of weakness and food cravings. It's important to remember that the transition from refined carbs to whole grains doesn't need to be drastic. Small changes like swapping white rice for brown rice or traditional pasta for whole grain versions already make a big difference in weight control. These substitutions are easy to implement and help keep the diet sustainable and enjoyable, without the need for strict restrictions. The result is a leaner body, with less fat retention and a greater sense of well-being throughout the weight loss process. Hack 3. Increase your intake of plant-based proteins. Plant-based proteins play a crucial role in weight loss and muscle gain. While many associate protein with animal sources like meat and eggs, plant-based protein sources are equally powerful and offer additional benefits, such as reducing saturated fat intake and increasing fiber consumption. Incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet helps nourish the body, boosts metabolism, and provides a prolonged feeling of fullness, essential for avoiding overeating. Some of the best sources of plant-based proteins include tofu, tempeh, edamame, chickpeas, lentils, chia seeds, quinoa, and almonds. These foods are easy to include in daily meals and are extremely versatile. For example, tofu and tempeh can be grilled and added to salads or stir-fries, while lentils and chickpeas can be used in soups, stews, or even as a base for veggie burgers. Additionally, quinoa is an excellent substitute for rice, offering an extra dose of protein and fiber in a single serving. By increasing your plant-based protein intake, you also promote muscle building, which is crucial for accelerating fat burning. Muscle is metabolically active, meaning the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns, even at rest. Therefore, by incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet, you're not only making weight loss easier, but also strengthening your body in a healthy and sustainable way. Moreover, plant-based proteins have the advantage of being naturally rich in essential nutrients, such as B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients are vital for maintaining the body's energy balance and aiding in muscle recovery after workouts. This is especially important for those combining diet with exercise. By consuming plant-based proteins after a workout, you optimize muscle recovery and maximize fat burning. To easily incorporate plant-based proteins into your routine, you can start with small changes like adding chia or flax seeds to your smoothies, including edamame or chickpeas in your salads, or replacing meat in a meal with grilled tofu or tempeh. These simple adjustments make a big difference in long-term results. By doing so, you'll be fueling your body with the necessary nutrients to lose weight quickly and effectively while keeping your health in check. Hack 4. Prioritize green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are essential for anyone looking to lose weight quickly and healthily. They are low in calories and rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as iron and calcium. Vegetables like spinach, kale, broccoli, lettuce, and Swiss chard add significant volume to your meals without increasing calorie intake, helping you feel fuller without compromising your weight loss plan. A simple strategy to include more green leafy vegetables in your diet is to use them as the base of your meals. Instead of starting your plate with carbs or proteins, begin with a generous portion of salad or steamed vegetables. This helps curb hunger and control appetite for higher calorie foods. Additionally, eating vegetables before main meals can naturally reduce the number of calories you consume during the rest of the meal. Another practical way to boost your intake of green vegetables is by adding them to smoothies or soups. A smoothie with spinach, kale, and fruits is an excellent way to start the day, providing fiber and nutrients early on. Green vegetable soups are great options for light, nutritious dinners. Prioritizing these foods helps speed up metabolism and gives your body the nutrients it needs to function properly during the weight loss process. Lastly, it's important to note that green vegetables are rich in fiber, which improves digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body. This contributes to a feeling of lightness and reduces bloating, key factors for those looking to see quick results. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily diet not only aids in weight loss, but also improves overall health, promoting more energy and vitality.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
Hack 5. Drink plenty of water and teas. Staying hydrated is one of the most important, yet often overlooked factors for weight loss. Water is essential for proper metabolism, aids digestion, and helps eliminate toxins from the body. Additionally, the body sometimes mistakes thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary calorie consumption. By ensuring you drink at least 2 liters of water a day, you keep your body hydrated, reduce hunger, and avoid overeating. Another effective way to boost weight loss is by incorporating metabolism-boosting teas. Teas like green tea, hibiscus tea, and ginger tea have thermogenic properties, meaning they help raise body temperature and burn more calories throughout the day. Green tea, for example, is rich in antioxidants and catechins, which enhance fat burning, while ginger tea can reduce appetite and stimulate digestion. A practical tip is to start your day with a large glass of water and a cup of green or ginger tea, as this combination helps kickstart your metabolism in the morning. Throughout the day, keep a water bottle close by to ensure you're drinking the right amount of fluids. Besides helping with satiety, this also prevents water retention, contributing to reduced bloating and a lighter feeling. Incorporating water and teas into your daily routine is a simple way to support weight loss and brings numerous health benefits such as improved digestion, increased energy levels, and better appetite control. Hack 6. Control your portions. Portion control is one of the most important steps to ensure effective weight loss, even on a plant-based diet. Often, even when eating healthy foods, we may overeat and consume more calories than needed. The key to losing weight quickly is finding balance in portion sizes and adjusting quantities based on your daily energy needs. A simple tip for controlling portions is to use smaller plates. This helps visually by making you feel like you're eating an adequate amount without feeling restricted. Additionally, eating slowly and paying attention to your food is essential. Chewing more slowly gives your body enough time to process fullness signals, which helps avoid overeating and makes calorie control easier. Dividing meals into smaller portions throughout the day can also be an effective strategy. Instead of having 3 large meals, opt for 5 or 6 smaller ones. This keeps your metabolism active, prevents sudden energy drops, and helps control your appetite. By balancing portion sizes and spreading meals more evenly throughout the day, you optimize calorie burning and keep your body nourished and satisfied. Another trick is to start meals with vegetables and salads, which are bulky and low in calories, helping reduce hunger for the following dishes. This practice helps you consume less of the more calorie-dense portions without compromising satiety. When well implemented, portion control makes a big difference on the scale and can be the key for those looking to lose weight quickly and sustainably. Hack 7. Include healthy fats. Including healthy fats in your diet is essential for losing weight efficiently and sustainably. While many people believe that cutting out all fats is the best way to slim down, the truth is that your body needs good fats to function properly. Foods rich in healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and coconut oil provide essential nutrients that help burn fat and control appetite. These healthy fats play a key role in keeping you full, as they are digested more slowly than carbs and proteins. This means you feel satisfied for longer, which helps prevent unnecessary snacking and overeating throughout the day. Additionally, good fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for overall health and efficient metabolism. A practical way to incorporate healthy fats into your routine is by adding them to simple meals. For example, include avocado in salads, use olive oil to dress vegetables, or have a handful of nuts or seeds as a snack between meals. These small additions help balance your diet, promote fat burning, and even improve heart health, as these fats have anti-inflammatory properties. The key is moderation. While healthy, fats are more calorie-dense than carbs or proteins, so it's ideal to consume them in controlled amounts. Including a source of good fat in each meal will ensure you get the benefits without exceeding the calorie limit needed for weight loss.
For more information on diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight fast.
Extra hack: exercises to maximize results. While diet is a key component for weight loss, combining these dietary hacks with physical exercise can further accelerate results. Aerobic exercises like brisk walking, running, cycling, or jumping rope are great for burning calories and fat, helping to reduce body weight faster. Doing 30 minutes of aerobic exercise per day can significantly boost fat burning and improve cardiovascular health. In addition to aerobics, incorporating resistance exercises, such as weight training or body weight exercises, is essential for increasing muscle mass. Muscles burn more calories at rest, meaning the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism will be. Squats, push-ups, and planks are examples of exercises that can be done at home without equipment. By combining a plant-based diet with physical exercise, you optimize weight loss and ensure more lasting results. The key is finding a routine you enjoy and can maintain consistently, making weight loss both sustainable and healthy.
In the description and on the end screen, we have a playlist featuring numerous videos on diets and advanced weight loss techniques. Take a look.
Now that you know the key hacks of a plant-based diet to lose weight in 7 days, it's time to put them into action. By focusing on fiber-rich foods, replacing refined carbs, increasing your intake of plant-based proteins, prioritizing green vegetables, staying hydrated, controlling portions, and including healthy fats, you'll be on the right path to seeing quick and healthy results. Remember, small, consistent changes make a big difference over time. If you're ready to transform your body, start implementing these hacks today. Set your goal, stay focused, and in just 1 week, you'll start seeing results. Leave your questions in the comments or share your experience with these tips. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips, and share this content with friends who are also looking to lose weight quickly and healthily. Let's go on this journey together.